How I bleached my roots at home using Arctic Fox's new Bleach Please white powder bleach. First, I set up 2 mirrors facing each other so that I can see the back of my head. Then I brush my hair and part it into 4 sections. I'm using a mixing ratio of 1 to 1.5 bleach to developer, and I'm starting with 20 volume. Don't be like me, put your gloves on before you start. I always forget this for some reason. Now I'm just finishing that other front section and then moving on to the back with the same 20 volume mixture. I'm just gonna go halfway down these 2 back sections and then stop to mix more bleach. Using 30 volume this time so that each section lifts at the same speed, and I'm just gonna finish as quickly as I can. Because I started the front section a while ago, I'm gonna rinse it out first and let the back process. And here are the finished results. I'm so happy with how it turned out. It lifted beautifully and it's the perfect base for pastel purple. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for part 2.